So what we're doing here is just removing the grill. There's 4 of these little flared clips, quite easy to remove along the top. And there's 1 screw right in the centre. And 1 little screw. I managed to get the grill off without breaking any of the clips. There's 1 of these little cowlings on each side of the car, just 2 screws and a clip. There we go. So next we've got the 4 black clips along the rail there. There's 1 in the wheel arch on each side. Got 2 nuts, 1 on each side, this one on the other side. The camera's out of focus here, very sorry about that, but just removing the bumper bar. It'll come back into focus shortly. There we go. So the bumper bar slips up into that slot there. So you've just got to be careful when you're removing it. Make sure you sort of, while you got downward pressure, you've got to pull out. Ripping the template out here. I'm going to stick on the guard. Just a pencil line around the template. And then between the 2 templates, a dead straight line. So I know my bench is level. So I'll just grab a level and go straight across. It's a little deceiving, it looks like a curved line, but it isn't, I guarantee it's dead straight. It's exactly 15 mil to the first crease, then it chamfers up. That chamfer up goes to 23 mil. Cutting time, just going to use a cheap grinder. Thinnest blade I got, just to cut in the waist section below the template and then dead straight across to below the template on the other side. Earmuffs, eye protection. The bar's actually screwed to my bench, nice and easy up here. At the end of the day, you don't have to be real accurate here, you can always tidy it up as long as you're on the waist side during the cut. The blade that I used wasn't quite deep enough to get a couple of spots, which worked out really well because it actually held it together at the other end for me. The clean up, I just used a pair of side cutters to get rid of all the burrs and gave it a rub with a a rag and it was clean. Had the trusty old hacksaw out just to finish it up. Well, that's the bit we have to put back on the car, so I just clean up the edge now. The kit comes with these, and I'm guessing they go on here somehow. There we have it. So one will fit the other side, fit the guard, the only bit you see, hopefully. The only bit you see will be this bit. This part of the bumper goes back on very easily. Just clips in, sits there, 4 clips across the top. And there's a clip in each guard. These clips push back in really easy. Two more there, so there's 6 locating lugs here, and then the 4 across the top. And that's it. Done.